Got a 2024 Ram 1500. Stock right now, we're going to put a Borla Atak crate muffler on it, resonator delete, and 6-inch rolled black chrome tips from NETAMI. This is before. Factory converter there, factory converter there, goes into the white pipe there, 3-inch all the way into the muffler right there, and then out back there into the white pipe, then into the factory tailpipes right there and right there. Factory resonators, we're going to be taking those out, and then we're going to change the tips out too. Comes with black factory tips. I think they're 3-inch, but we're going to put the 6-inch black rolled by NETAMI. The part number is 256018 RBC. And then the Borla Atak crate muffler right here, part number 400844. Yeah, I'm going to put that in right there and put those back there, take out the resonators and do what we do best. So there it is. There's the stock setup now. I'm going to take it all off, place it, change it. I'll let you guys hear it whenever we get done. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. This is stock. Stock sound decibels. 91. Yeah, I'm gonna take all the stock stuff off, put the Borla Atak in, remove the resonators, and I'll let you guys hear it when we're finished. All right, guys, 2024 Ram 1500. Showed you guys what it sounded like before and how it was set up before. So this is after we've done everything to it. So anyways, factory converter right there. Another factory converter right there. Back to the white pipe, 3-inch all the way. And that's where we put in the Borla Atak 3-inch in, 3-inch out. And then we had to do a small sleeve to connect it back to the pre-existing tailpipe, white pipe assembly. A couple hangers on it right there. And then we took out the back resonators right here. And we put the roll black chrome tips on it right there by NETAMI. Then part number on the box again for you guys, 400844. That's for the Borla Atak. And that's the old resonators we took off right here with the factory blacks. Same right there. And the stock muffler right here in the middle. So took all that off, put it on. Looks so much cleaner, so much nicer. It's going to sound a lot better too. There it is, guys. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, 2024 Ram 1500. Go ahead. Much better.